dive into today's topic of growth. Growth is the irreversible increase in an organism's size and complexity due to new protoplasm synthesis. It requires anabolism to surpass catabolism. In plants, growth is indefinite and apical, while in animals, it's definite and uniform. Basis of growth. Growth entails cell division, enlargement, and specialization. It starts with a single cell dividing and growing in size until it becomes specialized for a particular function, losing its ability to divide further. Types of cell division. There are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis divides a cell into two identical daughter cells, each with the same chromosomes as the parent cell. It's exclusive to somatic cells, like skin and bone marrow. Mitotic cell division involves 5 main stages. Interphase, also known as the resting stage, where chromosomes elongate and form a network of fine threads called chromatids. Prophase, chromosomes become visible, nucleolus shrinks, centrioles move away from each other, and spindle fibers begin to form. Metaphase, paired chromatids align themselves along the equator of the spindle and attach to the spindle at the centromere. Anaphase, sister chromatids separate and migrate to opposite poles of the cell. Telophase, the cell begins dividing into two by constricting at the equator, nucleolus and nuclear membrane reform in each daughter cell, spindle fibers degenerate, and chromosomes eventually regain their thread-like form. Importance of mitosis. It facilitates growth, development, and specialization, especially in multicellular organisms. It enables asexual reproduction through processes like binary and multiple fissions in protozoa and budding in yeasts. Life processes involved in mitosis. Healing of wounds. Binary fission. Aspects of growth. Growth varies among organisms. To measure growth, parameters such as dry mass, size and length, and an increase in the number of cells are used. Regions of fastest growth in plants. The root and stem apices are the regions of fastest growth in plants. Since growth in plants is apical, the root and stem apices can be divided into region of cell division, apical meristem, responsible for primary growth of a plant. Region of elongation. Region of cell maturation/specialization. Growth curve. The growth rate of a living organism is measured using a growth curve. The growth pattern of man shows a sigmoid curve consisting of 3 phases. Lag phase, initial stage characterized by slow growth as cells accumulate necessary materials. Log or exponential phase, rapid growth phase. Stationary phase, stage where no observable growth occurs. Factors affecting growth. External factors include availability of nutrients, humidity, light, temperature, pH, and accumulation of metabolic products. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.